Hey guys, so in this video, which is very short, I'm going to show you how to remove the wiper blades. For approach number one, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. It is really not my favorite way of doing this. I've been doing it this way for many years, but I discovered a better way to accomplish the same, and actually it's a lot easier. But yeah, you can do it this way. Okay, so installing the blade is really easy. All you want to do is line up the pin with that opening there and basically just press it in. That's very easy. I was inspecting this blade here and I noticed something. You see the spring in there? Well, I was thinking maybe instead of using the screwdriver to press them out of there, maybe there was a simpler way. What I thought, maybe it is possible to push the spring down and then that would release the pin, and installation doesn't require that because it has that bullet shape, so you can actually push it in there. But I'm going to try that approach and see if that makes removing this a little easier. Now this other portion might be a little trickier. If I push the spring down, that actually was a piece of cake. Guess you learn something new every day.